We don't know what we're made of. The same thing we're afraid of might improve. And stay up all night, just lay up. Use half of this best stuff to make moves with. Or all of it, of course. And it ain't no room in Paris. We can still fly high and crash, yeah. Just make sure you pass it. No, you can't imagine. Ooh, it's automatic, babe. Life we live.
All right, guys, we have a bombshell sponsor. I would like to thank Beautyforever for sponsoring today's video. So guys, Beautyforever sent over this gorgeous unit. This is a 24-inch 7x5 by knots wig. The lace on this unit is pre-cut. So basically all you have to do is pop this bad boy on. This is 24 inches and the texture of the hair is water wave. And let me stand up so you can see the full length. Now guys, this is the length of the unit before I put any water or anything on it. I am 5'3" and the unit does come past my waistline. You really don't need to do anything to it because it has so much shine. And y'all look how defined the curl pattern is on this unit. I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to do anything to it, but I would kind of like to see it in a different state. So I am gonna add a little bit of water. Typically I add mousse, but I want to just keep this light and fluffy. So I'm adding some water and then a little bit of detangling conditioner. So I'm just gonna go really, really light. Y'all look at the scalp. I haven't put anything on the scalp. Look at that. You're someone who likes to travel during the holidays and you don't want anything that's gonna be too high maintenance. This is the perfect unit. I love it because I do have a tiny little head, but despite the fact that I have a small head, I did not have a problem with getting the unit to fit. Look how flat it is against my ears. And guys, this is before we add the adhesive. So what I'm gonna do now that we have the unit just a little bit damp, I'm gonna just back comb everything, and then I am gonna go in with some of my olive oil wig grip spray. And I'm just gonna pull everything down and just press the wig grip spray in with my finger. This wig is not gonna require a lot of adhesive, y'all. Oh my God, look how natural that looks. Now, I did add some foundation to my stocking cap before I put the unit on. Y'all, I'm literally just pressing everything down with my finger. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna diffuse the hair a little bit.
I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one who I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. Tell me if it's you. Said you can be my teacher, I do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I do more work. What you wanna do? I wanna get freaky. Tell me, baby, what must I say? What must I say? What must I do, baby? I wanna get freaky. Think about freaking you. What must I say?
All right, girls, so this is how your unit is gonna look once it is fully dried. Y'all, it is so pretty and so fluffy and it smells amazing. And then guys, the next thing I'm gonna do is just go in and just kind of define the front, because I was like, you know, I want the front of the unit to just kind of sit back a little bit. So I am going to add a little bit of wax stick, and I'm just gonna go down like this. And that way it gives it a little bit more sleekness on the top and it makes it more smooth. After I do that, I'm gonna comb everything down. And then I'm gonna go in with just a tiny curling iron And y'all, I'm literally just gonna press everything in. And when I push the curling iron in this way, I'm gonna pull the hair this way. Because, oh yes, that's the, oh y'all, look at me. Oh my God. It's so pretty. So yeah, that's how I want it. So push everything back with your curling, your barrel. And even if you kind of just want to rotate your hand a little bit to make that part a little bit more defined, you can. But while you're doing that, just make sure you're pulling this part of the unit forward. Oh y'all. Girl, y'all, that looks so pretty. And then I'm just gonna go in right here and flatten this part out. You know what? It probably took me less than 10 minutes to install this unit. Flatten this out all the way around. Oh my God, it looks so good. You cannot tell me I don't look like, oh my God, look, y'all look. It looks just like, this looks so exotic and tropical, girl. This hair is perfect. First of all, it's perfect for right now because y'all, the weather in Houston is still so hot. So I can wear this outside. I don't have to worry about my curls falling or anything. In fact, this is the type of hair, it feels like the more humidity that hits it, the prettier and curlier it gets. Y'all know that this is like my go-to holy grail product. So this is the Pantene Conditioning Mist. Oh, y'all look. Y'all look at how it looks when I pull it back. Girl, look at that. Oh my God. It's giving real hair. It's giving real edges. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting carried away. Hold on, let me, I wanna give you guys a close-up of the knots. Y'all look at that. But you know what, let me do this. I wanna show y'all the knots without any foundation or anything on the unit. So you can even part the hair in different ways. So this is what the knots are gonna look like without without any concealer or powder or anything. And so even if you wanted to kind of part it to the side, you could. It is so pretty. Your unit is going to come with a middle part. I love a middle part, but if you don't want to wear it like that, you don't have to. You can wear your unit fresh out the pack. What I'm gonna do is make sure that I leave everything in the description box below. You guys let me know what you think about the unit. Do you intend on purchasing one? Do you love it? What was your favorite look? Would you wear it fresh out the pack or would you diffuse it like I did? If Beautyforever is gracious enough to offer me an additional discount code, I'll make sure that I link that below as well. Once again, I would like to thank Beautyforever for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one who I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. Tell me if it's you. Said you can be my teacher, I do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I do more work.